Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to illustrate how to work with a single view app. And I'm going to make a very small application here. I'm going to begin by creating a new Xcode project, a single view application. I will call this temperature converter. And we've already done this in class, so I'll go through these steps quite quickly. I now have a project with a xib file that has nothing in it. The owner of this, as we can see from here, is called my view controller. So when the project starts, a view controller, a my view controller is allocated and initialized, and it is told what its nib name is. And at the appropriate time, my view controller will load the nib file and become connected to whatever objects are in the nib file. So let's go ahead and create a few objects here. Here's the label. I'll put this here, and I'll put a button here called convert, and I will put up a text field, which I will, with it highlighted, click attributes, and I'll just say Celsius, like that. And I will create another text field underneath it, and in the placeholder text I will write Fahrenheit. And I'm going to move the convert button up here because I don't want to have to deal with text view delegates. Next, I need to be able to see both the xib file and the .h file at the same time. So I'm going to make the window a little larger so I can see everything. And when I click on the editor, you will notice what happened. Another sort of window or pane appeared here, and it contains the .h file of my view controller. So I have the xib file on the left and the view controller's .h file. Holding the control key down, I drag from here to here and type Celsius TF. I need to make sure that the connection says outlet, and I click on connect, and it creates a property. Don't worry about the weak non-atomic property, an IB outlet, a UI text field known as Celsius TF. I do the same thing here with Fahrenheit. Connect it, and last but not least, I drag from here to here, but this time I don't want it to be an outlet, I want it to be an action. And I'll call this convert. And it has written a method. Next, I copy this because I'm going to need it and go to the .m file. And here at the bottom, oh, I'm sorry, it already wrote a stub for me, so I just need to fill this in. So first of all, I need to get the temperature in degrees Celsius. I simply go to self.celsiustf.text. That is a string, and I need to convert it into a double. Let me make this larger here so we don't have that word wrap. And Fahrenheit is going to be 9/5 or 1.8 times Celsius plus 32. I'll write 32.0 just to emphasize the fact that I'm working with doubles. Last but not least, self.fahrenheit tf.text is equal to, now I have to convert my double back into a string. I will use string with format and %. I'll write 5.2f, comma, Fahrenheit. I'm officially done. The program is written. I forgot an @ sign, so I'm not officially done there. Now I'm officially done. Let's watch this work. There will be a brief delay here while the simulator launches. And remember, I'd shown you previously how to make it so that when you enter a number and the keyboard appears, you can click on the return key and the keyboard will recede. You should take a look at that. Let's try 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius turns out to be 212 degrees Fahrenheit. 0 degrees Fahrenheit is 32 degrees. Well, let's try that again. 0 degrees Celsius is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. that illustrates another point. Without any labels here, it's hard to tell which text field is which. I would have been better off dragging labels right here and here, but in the interest of time, I did not do so. So now hopefully you have seen for a second time how to create a single view application and very quickly wire the things together that you need to. Feel free to go through this video at a slower pace if you feel so inclined, and ask if you have any questions. Thank you.